Property Link sourced and acquired Knowsley House, Charliewood Road, Knowsley Industrial Park, Liverpool in 2007, with a project value estimated at £5 million. The property comprised of an 8-storey office block situated on approximately 2 acres. Property Link carried out a feasibility which included structural and valuation reports and negotiated the purchase. After purchase, planning consent was obtained for the change of use to B8 storage and wholesale as an alternative to the existing office use. Property Link are currently heading a social enterprise project as an entrepreneur academy for enterprise and training academy for other courses to help all walks of life, ranging from the school leaver to an entrepreneur, where sky is the limit.